on the bell. Once the bell is clicked, you will get all notifications. Thank you. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe, and I'm going to make mushroom masala. And for mushroom I'm going to use white mushroom. These are organic mushroom. I'm going to cut them in small pieces. I'm going to wash it really well. Then 2 potatoes, 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 2 green chili, 1 inch ginger, garlic clove, 4 of these, 1 cup sweet peas, olive oil for our tadka, spices from my masala dabba. And let's get started. Mushroom cut into nice big size chunks. Potato is cut into small pieces. Put it into cold water so they won't discolor. Tomato is cut. Onion is cut, and the carrots I cut into like this small pieces. Ginger, garlic and green chili is also cut. And let's start making our delicious mushroom masala sabzi. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas and keep the gas on high. I'll bring 2 tablespoons olive oil. Cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon. We're going to give like a 20 second. This is looking good. I will bring ginger and garlic first. We're going to cook ginger, garlic another 20 seconds. We just want that garlicky flavor to go away. And this is looking good. And now we bring the onion. Mix it well. Keep stirring. We're going to cook our onion after cooking for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to bring green chili. Mix it well. Cooking our green chili for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring the tomatoes and mix it well. Spread it evenly. Cover with lid and we'll cook it for 3 minutes. Cooking for 3 minutes with the closed lid. Mix it. So the tomatoes are tender. Now I'm going to bring all the spices. 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper. I'm not going to put too much because the green chilies are really hot. And we're going to mix them well. And we'll cook the masala along with our tadka for half minute. As the masala is nicely incorporated, we're going to mash the tomatoes. Now I'm going to bring the mushroom, sweet peas, carrots and potatoes. After adding all the vegetables, we're going to mix it well. All the tadka from bottom of the pan, bring it on top and keep mixing. Once our tadka is nicely combined with all the vegetables, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, cook it for 5 minutes on medium gas. Cooking for 5 minutes with the covered lid. Mix it well. Mushroom has to release all the water. The first 5 minutes is very important because we need to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and we'll cook it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll open it once and then I'll stir it. Then I'll share with you after 10 minutes. Cooking for 10 minutes. Initially we cooked 5 minutes, so altogether 15 minutes. Now I'm going to bring the gas on high. Mix it well. And if we look at the potatoes, they are nicely cooked. On the high gas, we're going to cook it until the water dries out. I'll bring kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon. After adding kasuri methi, we're going to mix it well. And keep cooking on high gas, cooking for additional 2 minutes with open lid. And if we look at now, there is no more water. Our mushroom masala is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready. And I'm going to dish out. So delicious. Super yum. And let me share with you. It's very tasty, delicious mushroom Masala Sabzi is ready. And in typical Punjabi, we call it Khumba di Sabzi. I hope you're going to like this dish. It's very healthy and very nutritious. And if you like this recipe, like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.